Priyanka. I'm the co-founder of Diet to Nourish. I'm also an expert and qualified nutritionist who also works as a motivator and a health coach. I'm here to help you with your diet, your nutrition and your health. I'm here today to tell you about bad eating habits. People think that bad eating habits are eating junk foods or eating fried, but that's not true. Bad eating habits are totally different from all these factors. Actually, bad eating habits includes there are points which we do not do. That includes bad eating habits. That makes it bad eating habits. For example, we start from the beginning. Early morning when we wake up, we start our breakfast very unhealthy. And sometimes we also skip it. This is a bad eating habit. Skipping your breakfast is a bad eating habit. We should not skip our breakfast. Doesn't matter how much hurry you are in. Doesn't matter how late you are getting for your office, for your school, or for going anywhere. You should have your breakfast every day. This is your important habit. The next bad eating habit includes not having proper meals in the day. We should have mainly three main meals. That means breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we should also try to include three snacks in between your main meals. That means one snack between your breakfast and your lunch, and two snacks should be there in your lunch and between your dinner. But people go for a breakfast, lunch and dinner. That's it. In between they go for a cup of tea or cup of coffee and they think they are doing a perfect job. But that's not true. That's not a good eating habit. The good eating habit includes having your fruits in between as a snack, having healthy protein snacks in between your main meals. This is good eating habits. If you want to avoid bad eating habits, you should also consider having proper fluid intake throughout your day, because drinking water as a fluid is very much important if you want to maintain a good eating habit. That means have water minimum 8 to 10 glasses per day. This is very important. Now coming to the salads. People hate eating salad, but eating salad is also a good eating habit. Avoiding your salad could be considered as bad eating habit. Also, how many meals in a day you are having homemade, or how many meals per day you are having outside. For example, if you are working, most of the time people have their lunch from the outside. So that to not be considered as bad eating habit. But if you are doing on very regular basis, then it can be counted as a bad eating habit. The point is, you should not eat too many meals outside the house. Have your meals at home. Whatever you want to eat, you can cook at home. You can have it at home. This is a good eating habit. I think good eating habits also include avoiding junk foods at night. Late night snacks is also considered to be bad eating habit. When you are not sleeping late till late night and you are having popcorns, you are having Maggie, this is bad eating habit. You should avoid late night snacks. If you want to stay awake at nights, you can always have a glass of milkshake. You can have some nuts. This will remove your bad eating habit and it will become a good eating habit. If you want to know more about your bad eating habits, about your good eating habits, how to improve your eating habits in overall, you can log on to diet2nourish.com. If you want to know more about your diet, you can always connect me through the following details. And if you think that you like this video, you can always share it with your friends. You can always subscribe to my channel. Then you will learn more topics. You will find more healthy topics related to your diet and your health. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.